Ready to turn your Fitelo coaching success into real-world rewards? Let's dive straight into how you can easily withdraw your hard-earned money from Fitelo. Step by step. First, open your Fitelo app and navigate to your profile section. Usually found in the bottom right corner. Then, look for the wallet, earnings, or withdrawals option. Click on that to proceed. You will now see your current available balance and withdrawal options. Fitelo usually offers several payment methods like direct bank transfer, UPI, or even PayPal. Choose the one that works best for you. If this is your first time withdrawing, you'll need to add your payment details. Be extra careful while entering your bank account number, UPI ID, or PayPal email. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal limits that Fitelo might have. Double-check all the details you've entered. Once you're sure it's correct, hit the Submit or Withdraw button. You should receive a confirmation message on the app, and often an email as well, confirming your withdrawal request. The processing time can vary, but Fitelo usually provides an estimated time frame. If you encounter any problems, check the facts or contact Fitelo's support team directly through the app. And that's it. Withdrawing money from Fitelo is a breeze once you know the steps. Now go ahead and enjoy your earnings.